In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint presentation in portrait orientation in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to shake up your presentation format or need to create a document that better fits content like charts or infographics, switching from the default landscape orientation to portrait can make a world of difference. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, let's open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This could be done either by clicking on its icon if it's pinned to your taskbar, or searching for it in your computer's search feature. Once you have PowerPoint open, you're ready for the next step. Now, if you're working on an existing presentation, you'll want to open that specific file. You can do this right from the opening screen of PowerPoint, where you'll see a list of recent documents, or you can click on Open to navigate through your computer's folders and select the file you wish to modify. Once your file is open and ready, we're going to navigate to the Design tab. You'll find this at the top of your PowerPoint window, among the various tabs like File, Home, Insert and so on. Click on Design to proceed. In the Design tab, look for an option titled Slide Size. It might seem like a small detail, but this is where the magic happens. Click on Slide Size and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Here we're interested in one specific option, Custom Slide Size. Go ahead and select that. After selecting Custom Slide Size, a new window will pop up. This is where you can adjust your slide dimensions to your heart's content. However, for our purpose today, we're focusing on changing the orientation from landscape to portrait. Within this window you'll see options for both width and height, but just below those there's the orientation section. Click on Portrait. This changes the layout of your presentation, slides from the wider landscape orientation to the taller portrait orientation. After selecting portrait, it's time to apply the change. You'll see an OK button at the bottom or top of this window. Click on it to proceed. When you do, PowerPoint will acknowledge the change you've made and will now present you with a critical decision. You'll be asked to choose between Maximize and Ensure Fit. This choice affects how your content adapts to the new orientation. If you choose Maximize, PowerPoint will increase the size of your content to fill the newly oriented slide as much as possible without altering the aspect ratio. On the other hand, selecting Ensure Fit will make sure all your content fits within the slide, adjusting sizes as necessary to avoid any cutoffs. The best choice here largely depends on your content. If you have text-heavy slides, Ensure Fit might be better to ensure all text is visible. However, if your slides are more visual with less text, Maximize could make your images and graphics stand out more. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully changed your PowerPoint presentation from landscape to portrait orientation. This simple adjustment can significantly impact the readability and visual appeal of your presentation, especially for printed materials or digital publications. Remember, while changing the slide orientation is an easy process, you may need to tweak individual slide elements after the change, ensuring everything looks just right. PowerPoint offers a range of tools and options for resizing, moving and formatting your content, so don't hesitate to explore and adjust as necessary. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you feel confident in changing your PowerPoint presentations to portrait orientation whenever needed. If you've enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy presenting!